What's the meaning of credulity? Credulity. Credulity.
Credulity. Credulity. Credulity refers to a tendency to believe something too readily or easily, often without sufficient evidence. It is the quality of being too trusting or gullible, and can lead individuals to accept claims at face value without critically evaluating their veracity. Credulous people may be more susceptible to scams or hoaxes, as they are more likely to accept information without questioning it. While it is important to remain open-minded and willing to consider new ideas, it is equally important to approach information with a critical eye and evaluate it based on its merits.